Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to put money on Metamask full guide. Open your Metamask extension or mobile app and unlock your wallet, then choose the network you plan to use. Click Buy or Deposit, pick a payment method like card, bank transfer, or crypto transfer. Follow the provider prompts, confirm the transaction in Metamask, pay any fees shown, and wait for the network confirmation before checking your updated balance. Start by comparing fiat on-ramps integrated with Metamask and check fees and limits for your currency. Complete any required KYC, then fund the on-ramp with a card or bank transfer. When prompted, confirm the exact amount you want to buy, review estimated gas and provider fees, and approve the transaction inside Metamask. Wait for the network to confirm and then verify the new balance in your wallet. To deposit crypto, copy your Metamask public address and double-check the network matches the token type. From the sending wallet or exchange, paste the address, set the amount, and confirm any withdrawal fees. Monitor the transaction hash and wait for the required confirmations on the blockchain. Once confirmed, refresh Metamask and verify the token appears in your asset list, adding a custom token if necessary to view.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.